It is a historic and tense day at East London Regional Court. EFF leader Julius Malema has just been sentenced to 5 years of direct imprisonment by Magistrate Twanet Olivier. In this footage, you will see the exact moment the judge ordered Malema to stand as she handed down the sentence and addressed the future of his firearm license. This ruling could have massive implications for Malema's seat in Parliament and future of the Red Beret. Let's look at this courtroom footage and tell us what you think in the comments.
You may please stand up. Not the court of... Sorry. Maybe I should be clear. Sorry for that. Alright. After careful consideration, and I can show you I have done so, free of any interference, this judgment or sentence is the sentence of this court and this court alone. In respect of count 1, you are sentenced to a period of 5 years imprisonment. In respect of count 2, you are sentenced to a period of 2 years imprisonment. In respect of count 3, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 4, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 5, you are sentenced to pay a fine of 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In terms of section 280, subsection 2 of Act 51 of 1977, the court orders that the sentence imposed in respect of counts 2, 3, 4, and 5 run concurrent with the sentence imposed in respect of count 1. You may be seated. Thank you. May we, Advocate, sorry not to interrupt you. May we just deal with the section 103 inquiry? And then we can proceed with that part. I assume you are ready for that part as soon as we've dealt with the 103 inquiry. Certainly. Okay. Just as a brief explanation to unless it's not clear, the next step of the sentence is that the court is obliged to deal with the provisions of section 103, subsection 1 of Act 60 of 2000, meaning that the determination of unfitness, as I've explained in the beginning of the sentence, should not be made separately before sentencing, as information relevant to such fitness may emerge during the process of mitigation or circumstances. And the inquiry in terms of section 103(1) Act 60 of 2000, since in terms of section 1, the accused is deemed unfit to possess a firearm or license in future by virtue of having been convicted of a crime specified in section 103 subsection 1 of Act 60 of 2000, and reasons may therefore be advanced or evidence presented to enable the court to consider the possibility of determining otherwise. So, Advocate Odes? No submissions. Thank you. Advocate Caesar, on behalf of the state? Due to the reasons provided by court during sentence and that we are dealing with unlawful possession, due to the virtue of the nature of the offences, the court therefore makes no otherwise order and you remain to be deemed unfit, and it is followed by the following further order by court. That section 103, subsection 1, read with the provisions of section 104 of Act 60 of 2000. The accused then remains to be deemed unfit, And the effect of the declaration of unfitness is as follows. All competency certificates, licenses, authorization, and permit issued in terms of this Act to any person who becomes or is declared unfit to possess a firearm in terms of Section 102 and 103 cease to be valid from the date of the conviction or the declaration, as the case may be. B, despite the noting of an appeal against the decision of a court or the registrar, the status of unfitness contemplated in paragraph A remains in effect pending the finalization of the appeal. Further, a person who becomes or is declared unfit to possess a firearm in terms of Section 102 or 102.3 of Act 60 of 2000 must within 24 hours surrender to the nearest police station all competency certificates, licenses, authorizations and permits issued to him or her in terms of this Act, all firearms in his or her possession and all ammunition in his or her possession. Therefore, it should be noted that subject to the provisions of subsection 9, subsection 3, subsection B, and after a period of 5 years calculated from the date of the decision leading to the status of unfitness to possess a firearm, the person who became or becomes or deemed and declared unfit to possess a firearm may apply for a new competency certificate, license, authorization or permit in accordance with the provisions of this Act, being Act 60 of 2000, the Firearms Control Act.